What if we could get rid of our trash in a way that is safe, efficient, and doesn't harm the environment? One idea that has been proposed is to dump our trash into volcanoes. It may sound crazy, but some people believe it could be a viable solution to our growing waste problem. In this video, we'll explore the feasibility of this idea and what the potential consequences could be. So, let's delve into the topic of dumping trash into volcanoes and find out whether or not it's a viable solution. To begin with, we need to understand the magnitude of the world's garbage problem. According to various reports, the world generates around 2.01 billion tons of municipal solid waste annually. This figure is expected to grow to 3.4 billion tons by 2050. With landfills and oceans already overloaded with garbage, we need to find alternative solutions to dispose of our trash. That's where the idea of dumping trash into volcanoes comes in. Volcanoes are one of the most powerful natural forces on Earth. They are capable of spewing out millions of tons of molten lava, ash, and gas into the atmosphere. The idea of throwing our garbage into a volcano may sound like a radical idea, but it has some scientific basis. The intense heat and pressure of a volcano could break down and destroy most of the garbage, leaving behind only non-combustible ash. Some scientists believe that this could be a way to dispose of our waste without harming the environment or creating more landfills. However, there are some potential risks associated with dumping garbage into volcanoes. To begin with, not all types of garbage may be suitable for this method of disposal. Hazardous waste, for example, could release toxic chemicals and gases when exposed to the extreme heat of a volcano. This could cause serious environmental damage and harm to human health. It's therefore important to carefully sort and select the type of waste that can be safely disposed of in this way. Another potential risk is that the garbage could trigger an eruption. If the waste is not completely broken down or if it releases gases that react with the molten lava, it could cause an explosive reaction. This could potentially damage the volcano and surrounding areas, leading to environmental and social repercussions. The risk of an eruption would depend on several factors, including the type of volcano, the type of waste being disposed of, and the location of the volcano. Despite these risks, some scientists believe that dumping trash into volcanoes could be a viable solution to our waste problem. They argue that volcanoes are already exposed to a wide range of chemicals and gases, making them more resilient to the addition of garbage. Furthermore, volcanoes are often located in remote areas, far from human populations, making it easier to manage the disposal process. In conclusion, dumping our trash into volcanoes may seem like a radical idea, but it has its merits. The intense heat and pressure of volcanoes could break down and destroy most types of garbage, leaving behind only non-combustible ash. However, there are potential risks associated with this method of disposal, including the release of toxic chemicals and gases, and the risk of triggering an eruption. If we are to explore this option further, we need to carefully consider the potential risks and benefits. Regardless of whether or not this is a viable solution, we need to find ways to reduce our waste and minimize our impact on the environment.